Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can reconcile refunds in Xero, so let's get started. To get started, first, log into your Xero account and navigate to the Accounting tab. From there, click on Bank Accounts to view your connected bank accounts. You should see your bank feed with all recent transactions, including any refunds. Now, to reconcile a refund, locate the refund transaction in your bank feed. Once you find it, click on the transaction to open it. Next, Xero will automatically try to match this refund with any corresponding transaction you have entered, such as a sales invoice or payment. If it finds a match, you can simply click the OK button to reconcile the refund. If Xero doesn't find an automatic match, don't worry. You can manually match the refund by selecting Find and Match and searching for the relevant invoice or payment. If it's not linked to an invoice or payment, you can create a new transaction by clicking Create. Once you've correctly matched the refund to the relevant record or transaction, click OK to finalize the reconciliation. And that's it. You've successfully reconciled a refund in Xero. By following these steps, you can ensure that your records are accurate and up to date. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.